Yo, what's up, world? It's your boy King GK. I'm back here with another video on how to draw support and resistance correctly. I know a lot of guys just draw support and resistance only with a rectangle, but for the new traders, they will not understand what it means. You understand? And there's a difference between a strong level and a weaker level. You understand? So let me just jump right back in it, you guys. So yeah, let's go. So what I love to do most of the time is to start from my daily time frames, right? And there's one thing that I want to teach you guys today, and I want you guys to take notes, because why this is really important to mark key levels correctly. I know a lot of you guys don't know how to mark key levels correctly, but we're focusing on gold here today. So I'm just gonna show you that this method works on any market that you trade. To understand, you will always have the correct key level, and then you can just use your rectangle to highlight it. So let me just jump right back into it. So guys, so what I'm always looking at is, so you see market structure break to the upside, right? So this is a level, that wick right there on the top, that is a level, right? That is what we call a level created by a trend break. You see the price breaks up and the price break and the price move to the side. So this candle right here is the candle that is creating this level, right? So let's mark that so you guys can see that this is a daily level, right? Now you guys can see, let's mark it correctly. Just mark it on the dot, on the spot. There we go, right? So this is what we call, right? Take notes, guys. This is what we call the CCL. That stands for the candle that created the level. As you can see, the second candle was giving us a false break and close under, right? And price is rally to the downside. And here we can see this candle was respecting this level on dot, and that is what we call the CSL. That is a candle that supported this level, right? So now we know we have a correct level. Every time price come to this level, it is marked correctly. Let's just scale to a previous data that you guys can see that how strong is this level, right? You see, price respect this level on the dot, guys. Just scale it. You see there, price respect to this level, respect to this level. It respected that level, guys. You see, there's another CSL, false breaks, right? So that is a good indication for us to mark a level correctly, guys. I'm not here to fool and play around with you guys. I'm here to give you guys the real deal, guys, because I know a lot of men to just highlight with a rectangle, but I was trapped in that shit as well, guys, and it was like, wow. So yeah, guys, that is how you mark a level correctly with a CCL and a CSL. But to know if a level is strong enough is to look for a multiple CSLs, that is candle that supported the levels. Like there I can see that the candle that supported the level on the dot. I can see a lot of false breaks. You see there. Now we have confirmation that we're facing a strong daily level, right? The second level that I can see right from the dot is also this candle, right? This is the candle that what we call a paranormal candle. Because why do we call this a paranormal candle? Because this candle is 2 times our ATR. You understand? So our ATR is basically stands for average true range. So this is a candle that also creates this level, right? This is a level that this candle created. This is a paranormal candle, and this is going to be a strong level. As we will look back on our previous as well, we can see there we have a CSL. We have a CSL, the candle that supported the level. Okay, there we can see a false breaks, false breaks, false breaks, false breaks. You can see a lot of confirmation. So let's look for another CSL. This is the candle that will confirm that this is a really strong level. Okay, I don't see anything back. So I know we have at least one CSL, and we can see a lot of false breaks on this level. So that gives me a good indication that, okay, we're facing a really strong daily key level right here. So then I will go on, and I can see prices overall bullish. So I will look for the next key level. Bam, there we go. So there I mark this level on the dot. You see, there's a candle that is created by a false break. Why is that a candle, a level that is created by a false break is because why? See that? Let's mark it on that. The reason for that is, you see this previous candle was closing and then come under. This candle was creating the level, so this candle was false breaking. You understand it? You can switch it around as well, vice versa as well. So this is a level that is created by a false break, as you guys can see. Candle created. Let's look for CSL. See, this is strong level, guys. Oh wow. Here we have a CSL candle that supported the level, make it stronger. False breaks, false breaks. There's a false break with 2 candles. Okay, so now we know this is going to be the next level that we're gonna face. So the next thing that I will do is I will mark my levels with a rectangle with colors, right? So my daily levels are marked with blue. You understand? So all the time I mark my levels with blue, right? So now I'm just adding in the zones, guys. This is gonna be the zones for you guys to actually know that once price come to this area, we have a zone there, right? We have this zone. But what we also mark is our our key level, and that is what is important. You understand, guys? So let's just mark it all in. So then I will scale down to my 4-hour time frame. I want you guys to get it right, guys. Once you mark your key levels right, oh, you're gonna be, honestly, guys, you're gonna be powerful. I don't understand why there's a lot of people complicated trading, because why? It's not complicated, guys. Honestly, it's not complicated. It's just about reading market structure and always go with the momentum and trend where the market is going. Read market conditions, but the most informed most is basically what is important is to mark the correct key levels. There you cannot trade without it. You understand? I cannot understand why people can trade with no key level. So let's just mark the 4-hour key level. So what I can see is here price was coming to the downside. Let's mark this level. Yep, the reason why I mark this level is because why? We have this CL right here. This is a candle that created this level. We see false breaks. There's a CSL. So we have 2 confirmations that this is a strong level. Let's go back. Let's just talk about it. Let's go back. You see there? It's strong. You see there? CSL. Oh, you understand? This is a strong level, guys. So we can mark this thing for sure. Understand? This is a 4-hour level. I mark my 4-hour levels in red. So I know my blue is daily, my red is 4-hour. I will never get lost with it. So here's a level that I can mark. But you see, there's a difference. This is the cats that I want to show you guys. You see, we have this candle right here. That's a candle that created this level, right? Then we have this candle, right? But the key is to find the candle that have CSLs on it, right? You see there, we mark this level. We mark it right there. This level created by a false break, because why? This candle is lower, this week is lower than the previous one. So let's mark this one. Let's see how many CSLs we have on it. You guys can really think this is funny, but honestly, guys, this is magic. This is magic, guys. Everybody can just mark with rectangles, but look at my win ratio. Then you guys will see why do I perform so well, because I marked my set correct. So yeah, I would go with this level. Oh, let's see how does the other one perform. If we go scale in, oh, there we go. So I'm gonna go with this candle that is creating the level, because why, it looks more precise, and what I can see is this candle that the candle does already have a CSL right there, right? The candle that supported this level. We can see we have a lot of simple false breaks on it, so that is a key level that we most likely will use on it, right? So guys, let's mark this level in red, because we're in a 4-hour level, or 4-hour time frame, sorry. Okay, so you can see there. Okay, this is what I can see. So now I will scale into my 1-hour time frame. You guys can remember, I start from my daily, 4-hour, 1 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes, and sometimes I look for levels on my 15 minutes as well. So now you can see the picture starting to look more cleaner. Understand? Everything starts to look in order. You can see it more clean. when I say it's more clean structure, now you can like basically like, okay, now I can read it because everything looks so smooth on the dot, to understand. Then that is what trading is all about. Master your graph and make it look perfect, right? So I don't have to put many levels in, right? So here we have this consolidation, right, guys? Consolidation. I know a lot of traders who love to trade consolidation. I used to trade consolidations as well, but especially in if price is trapped in this too strong daily levels. It's best to trade it because while you mark your levels correctly, now you can trade your false breaks orders and place it with the buy stop order right there. Buy stop order, you see price come for false break. This is strong daily level, buy stop order right there. This is how you trade in consolidation, right? So now what I can see here is, let me just mark one level in my consolidation for you guys to understand what I mean. So there I can see that we have this 1 hour level, right? It's a 1 hour level, and that is a level created by a false break. Why is that? Because why this candle breaks out and close under, and this candle created this level. So now I can see that, okay, we have a CSL right there, candle that supported the level. Remember that, guys, take notes on it. There we have another CSL, a candle that supported this level. So now we know we have this 1 hour level. My 1 hour levels are marked in green. This is gonna be green, you see? There's a green. So now I know we're gonna face this level, but I don't love to trade in this range. So let's scale down to 30 minutes. Scale down to 30 minutes. So this is what I can see now. 30 minutes, you can mark another level like there, right, on the dot, right? The reason why is this a 30-minute level? Because why? There's the candle that created this level. We can see we have a CSL right there. We can see we have false breaks right there. You can see a lot of false breaks right there on this. So it's a strong 30 minutes level, and my 30-minute levels are marked in yellow. Marked in yellow, guys. So always mark your levels correctly, guys. I will place another video for you guys on how to basically order it and structure it. If you guys want to learn more, please guys, you can join our free Telegram group where I send out market structure photos and breakdown videos every week, and sometimes I send free signals for you guys. We break down US30, GJ, gold, and SP X500 as well, guys. So if you want to join, please check the link in the description and join us, guys. Join us, because why, we're here to help and grow each other. You understand? We're not here to discourage each other as traders, is what is going on in the industry today, guys. Because what you can see, a lot of friends who was combining and trying to make it together, they just now enemies to each other. You understand? So we are here to spread love and help each other out, guys. This stuff that I'm teaching you guys, I paid a lot of money for it, to be honest, guys. I paid a lot of money to teach, to learn this stuff, guys, and now I'm just giving it for free for you guys. So it's your boy King GK. I'm here coming to your live on Newton FX. Peace out. Enjoy, guys.